So at this stage of the game, how is it going to play out? Well, the dealer, we should only be in the dealer loop if the dealer needs more cards. The dealer only needs another card if they actually have a hand value which is less than the player hand value. So we could check that out. The first thing we need to do is pass in what the dealer value is. So I've got the dealer value in the game loop here. That's passed in. So I actually need to, I'm going to copy that and paste that into my dealer loop there, paste that into my dealer loop there, and paste that into my dealer loop there. So I'm passing the parameter and I've got the argument here. Now what I need as well is the player value, because I can't check whether the dealer has a greater or less value if I don't know what the player value has as well. So I need to pass in the player value. Now that's going to change dependent on where I am. So here I am passing in the dealer value, but I already know that the player value is 21. So let me copy and paste that in. Oops. So I know at that point the player value has 21, so I can compare those two. At this point, the player value, if we take a look, is this one here. But I'm not going to pass in the word value because I'm actually going to delete these two lines. I'm actually going to pass in the unpacked version. So that goes in there, and the second argument in here is the player value. So now in the dealer loop I've got the value of the dealer's cards and the value of the player. I also need the cards, so the cards need to be passed in. So if we take a look here, I've got the cards there. So at this point in the program it's still cards, so I can just type cards. So we need the pack of cards because they might be dealing off another card from the hand. However, in this one here, cards has been packed up as player results 1. So I'm going to use the packed version because I'm going to delete these lines shortly. So I'm going to type that in there, and then in my dealer loop I'm just going to put cards. And pretty much there. Is there anything else that the dealer needs to know? At the moment I don't think so. So let's check. The first thing I need to do is check out whether the dealer needs to draw another card or not. So we'll start looking at this dealer loop in detail shortly.